This video shows how to use a vegetable peeler. Remember that the peeler is sharp. Be careful not to hurt yourself. One way to peel a fruit or vegetable is with a swivel peeler. Hold the carrot in one hand, resting the other end on the chopping board. Starting about halfway down the carrot, run the peeler away from yourself. Twist the carrot around and continue until you have peeled all the skin. Then, turn the carrot around and peel the other end in the same way. Remove the peelings from the chopping board when you have finished. They can be used for compost. Another way is to use a fixed head peeler. Hold the potato in one hand. Using your thumb as a support, run the peeler over the potato, remembering that the peeler is sharp. Turn the potato around and carry on until you have peeled all the skin. Remember, use a chopping board. Turn the vegetable around to peel, and be careful, the vegetable peeler is sharp.